running with their how much do these parachutes weigh?
About 34 pounds.
34 pounds of parachute on the run. The Skyhawks parachute team in these windy conditions.
Now, one of our jumpers, Sergeant Sebastian Tremblay, in his left leg, has a make-a-wish
left, right, and now hand over hand. He topples that airplane, topples the airplane, pulls back up into the vertical, and then tightly turns around in a teeny tiny loop. Heads back down toward the ground. Establishing the airplane sector and now settles down for just a few moments. Starts to tighten the belt again. Lets the engine cool just a little bit. And he's about to ratchet it up even more. Just make sure the belts that sometimes get loose are extremely tight, because we'll start to see negative G, part 2 of this performance. He's letting me know on the ground that he's satisfied, he's ready. Couple of screws slow. The first American fighter to do so. It was considered the performance equal to many other fighters like the Mustang, but at short range, counted either carried considerable action during the Korean War. This airplane, painted in the colors of Japan, Lieutenant Gray led an attack on a group of Japanese naval vessels, sinking the escort ship before his plane crashed into the bay. The citation on the Victoria Cross describes what happened. The King has been graciously pleased to approve the award of the Victoria Cross for valor to the late Temporary Lieutenant Robert Hampton Gray. Concentration fire for some 5 forces. Lieutenant Gray pressed home his attack, flying very low in order to and most inspiring leadership. Gray was one of the last Canadians to die during World War II, and the last Canadian to be awarded the Victoria Cross. This aircraft dedicated to his memory.